fish. This is a fish. It swims fast in the water. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. It loves to jump and play. Shark. This is a shark. Strong and powerful in the ocean. Whale. This is a whale, the biggest animal in the sea. Octopus. This is an octopus. It has 8 long arms. Starfish. This is a starfish. It looks like a shining star. Sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. It swims slowly and gently. Jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. It floats softly in the water. Crab. This is a crab. It walks sideways on the sand. Seal. This is a seal. It claps its flippers and swims fast. Seahorse. This is a seahorse. Small and cute like a tiny horse. Squid. This is a squid. It squirts ink to hide. Lobster. This is a lobster. It has big, strong claws. Penguin. This is a penguin. It swims fast like a little rocket. Walrus. This is a walrus. It has big, long tusks. Stingray. This is a stingray. It glides smoothly on the ocean floor. Sea snake. This is a sea snake. It moves like a ribbon in the water. Clownfish. This is a clownfish, bright and colorful. Blue whale. This is a blue whale, the largest creature on Earth. Sea lion. This is a sea lion. It loves to bark and swim.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next fun video.